Hey guys, this is Slade at Hot Tracks Mobile Auto Repair. What I'm going to be doing today is a video on unboxing of the new Ratchet that I just purchased from ACDelco. It is the heavy duty 3H Ratchet, model number ARW1201. Okay, so far so good. Looks pretty handy the way it actually comes in a molded case. Let's open it up here. Hey, there we go. We got a battery that's already engaged into the actual gun, and the charger, and it looks like a adapter. And there's the instructional manual right there. There we go. Alright, with the ACDelco 3H Ratchet, we're going to give it a try, see what kind of power it got. It looks like it torqued pretty good. The speed is pretty decent on it, and the way that it feels is not too much wear and tear on my wrist, so I like it. Some of the other ones are a little bit lighter and they seem to break, but this seemed to be more heavy duty, so I think I'm going to like it. Not bad.